beauty in your eyes, even when the storm clouds fill the skies. You're my tempest, my wild sea, yet your anger is a melody. Notes of passion, sharp and sweet, in the symphony our hearts meet. Sunshine in the rain, my love. You're the thunder and the dove. Every argument, the chance to grow. Our love's rhythm, ebb and flow. Tiny storms and coffee cups, words that sting and lift us up. Your anger dances like a flame, but it's warmth that keeps me sane. I'll write you a song of laughter, of forgiveness chasing after. In your eyes I find my peace, angry winds that never cease. Sunshine in the